Welcome to Thursday. Man flu's back. Yeah. Oh, I can't believe I've had it like twice. It's only been like a month or so, hasn't it? Oh, it's all gone around the family a bit. Obviously, the ladies didn't have complete man flu, but I've got man flu. So, this week, it's going to be just when you wanted to get back and get on with the stuff, you get hit with man flu, and then you've got absolutely no energy. All your bones ache. But I'm not one to moan, so best not moan. So what we think we'll do is we'll just see if we can just do half hour, strip the steering column down, and I found the handbrake as well, because we've got the handbrake cables now ready. So I think we're pretty much there to put the handbrake cables in. I just need the little plates that go through on the floor, which I have got somewhere. I think they were reusable, but we need to check them out. But they're done after anyway. So yeah, got the heater on, and let's see if we can find the steering column and strip it down a bit, and maybe put a bit of paint on it so it at least dries. Right, after a quarter of an hour of faffing around trying to find the socket, put a bit of better tread oil on the nut. It's actually a bit easier to have done this when it was on the car. So if you're going to do it again, take the steering wheel off when it's on the car, please. So we're just going to go with the hit and hope approach with the big hammer first, and see how we go. Ah. Oh yes, get it. Have a bit of that. That's got a cable through the centre there, which... Oh, shite. I expect it would have been for the old horn, obviously. So this might be a bit tricky getting off the splines now. Well, apart from whacking my finger, that came off easier. Anybody want a mint 1970 steering wheel? Let me know. So we just, we can clean up those nuts and bolts, the nut on that a bit later. There's my screwdriver I've left in the car. Just a couple of Jubilee clips on here which we used just to hold on the speedo, I think, and some of the cover. So we try and get that off. So looking like the bushes aren't too bad actually either end. So it's like a little brass contact there. That must be for the horn as well, maybe. Goes on that. It'd be nice if we can get this right, the column right out. Oh Jesus! Oh, I'm running out of tissues. I don't know how accurate this is, or how good you can see, so we're just going to take this indicator stalk off before a couple of little screws. Looks like one's original, one's not quite so original. Don't tell the wife I've got the nice tracksuit bottoms on there. Oh, and Malcolm, mostly sausage and mash for tea tonight, I expect. It's going to be the easiest, I think. So we'll get that out of the way. I was looking at that the other day actually about whether I could modify an old one for the stalk, because I guess this is just some sort of chrome tube that goes to the light. We'll have to see if we can get hold of one of those, but that's out of the way now. So let's take this nut back off. Oh, so that's the little strap that goes on that. We've got these two Jubilee clips that won't come off without completely undoing it. Which you don't really want to watch. And then I think the only then we've got like a little lock nut bolt, a square bolt and a lock nut, which is maybe used for resetting the indicators or something. It goes into the screws and taps into the actual steering column. So we need to remove that before we can take the whole steering column shaft out. Still not quite sure where this wire goes. Must be just somewhere. So yeah, let's see if we can get all that bits off. So yeah, just undone the little lock nut, just a fraction, and then the whole bolt then comes out. As I said, must be used for the steering column. So we'll put that safely on the car floor so it don't get lost. And then so yeah, we're just gonna, with my slightly smaller hammer would be nice. One day we'll have a big workshop, loads of space. I'm just wondering if this taps off. A little bit more penetrating oil on some of it. As I said, it looks like a bit of a contact. So just gently. Yeah, it's got like a bit of a rubber bush around it, inside it, and then this is a brass contact. What I'm just going to do is put the mole grips over the top instead of just trying to smash it with a screwdriver. Put them on the loose end so it's not tight, and then we're going to hit this. Yeah. Moving on up. Let's clamp the other end down a bit. Well, we nearly got this bush off. And we can actually see now, which maybe if I looked on the internet we could have seen, it's actually attached to the wire. So there's basically a hole in the column. You can see here there's a hole. So this bush goes into the wire through the top of the column. So this is to activate the horn. So you have to be sort of careful and pull the wire through. So it looks like that was a... It looks like it's just trapped under there, or it sort of goes into a slight fit in. There's a wire filled with all gunk in there. Been a bit tricky to come out. Classic mole grips, do everything. Now we say that, I wonder if it's supposed to go out the other way, because it's not coming out. But then the bottom of the steering column is, this top of the steering column is full of... There we go, got the wire out. So now, finally, put the nut back on the end, and we can try and tap the column out gently. Take the nut off a bit. Try not to damage the end. We're nearly there. And there's a felt bush at the end, which looks pretty good condition actually. So apart from these two damn Jubilee clips, which we've got this other bracket on here, which is the actual bracket, which is holds the steering column actually onto the the dash rail. We'll just open that a bit. Slide it off. We've got that off. 2 Jubilee clips off. And we're there. Wow. Yeah. So we've got the plastic bush at the top of this end somewhere. Again, felt pretty good. So I'm not going to replace stuff unless it needs it. And that bush is we'll maybe just soak it in a bit more oil. We'll clean your shaft up. And yeah, excellent. So, hour later, we've got a steering column. Bit like Project Binky. Maybe not quite. They're still a little bit better. So yeah, that's good. I need to go blow my nose. We'll see how long this video is, but if it's around 8-10 minutes, we're going to have to call it because I'm knackered. So what we do, we'll wire brush that, get it on the wire wheel, and just put a bit of hammer white on it, smooth white. You could use Paul 15, you could get the thing shot blasted and powder coated, whatever floats your boat. But hammer white floats my boat, so what we need to do is try and find out the other brackets that actually bolt. They might actually be still in the dash rail actually, but there is a clamp somewhere. Yeah, so that's how you strip down a Mark 1 steering column, which I've done before. So yeah, remember about that. Wires and bits and bobs. Alright, till next time. I'm off to die.